Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you are new here, and we are going to do a quick little power hour cleaning motivation. My daughter just went down for a nap about 5 minutes ago. She's still trying to get herself to sleep. I hear her crying a little bit. So we have hopefully at best an hour. Well, no, I shouldn't say at best. At best we have maybe like 45 minutes, but hopefully we have up to an hour for me to get everything tidy. I have so much stuff. I ran to Chick-fil-A, so I have to, anyway. Just trash everywhere, stuff that's from like 6 hours ago. I need to put some chicken in the crock pot. It's already 3:30, so I really need to get going on that. But yeah, just some general tidying around the house. Here are the pups, Rosie and Minnie. Hey girls. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I also want to change the sheets on our bed. Our room is a mess. So I want to tidy that up as well. It's just kind of, I haven't picked up one single thing today. So let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe for more content like this, and let's just go ahead and get started.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we...
Alright, we're going to take a quick break for a TJ Maxx haul. If you're not interested, just pass through and then you can keep watching the cleaning. But I just wanted, these are all centered around baby things, so if you're not interested in TJ Maxx hauls or baby things, just skip on through. But I got 2 crib sheets by Burts Bees Baby, and I haven't seen those at TJ Maxx yet. Or I haven't seen this brand at TJ Maxx a whole lot. Maybe here and there I would see a little something, but yeah, I've been wanting to try their crib sheets. I really like everything Burt's Bees makes, and I wasn't expecting that to be one of my favorite brands when I was pregnant, but we really like their pajamas. We really like their burp rags and their bibs, and yeah, their stuff is just super soft. So we got this one. Let's see if it focuses, but it's just very simple and neutral. It has like the ABCs, and it just says like, I don't know, V is for vines, N is for nurture, E is for eco, you know, things like that. Anyway, so that's very cute and simple. And then they also had this one, which is kind of just one of their standard patterns. She has this in like, I know a couple of her bibs and her burp bags are this. It's just the white with the light pink honeybees. So that is just adorable. Okay, and then the next thing I got was this little set of books. It came in this box, Disney My First Stories. I might put these away for Christmas because she has a lot of books that she's still very interested in. And yeah, so I might save these. But so yeah, and these pages, they're not board, they're not like the board books, but they're super like, they're plasticky, so she could like spit on this and like not ruin the page, you know? So that's cool. I was excited about that. It's just like more fun shopping for her now than shopping for me. I am still working on losing my baby weight. So buying clothes right now is just, I've bought a few things just to, you know, make me feel good, but it's just, I don't really want to buy a whole lot of stuff until I feel like I'm back to myself. But so till that time, I'm just gonna continue to buy little things for her. But anyway, Ryan and Rose cutie bit is what they call it. It's like it's called a tool for transitioning off the pacifier. Ellie has kind of lost interest in the pacifier. We haven't really used one in a while, but this little thing, if you can see the shape, here, let me just take it out and show it to you. You can see that it has two little handles, and then obviously just this silicone circle, and it has a hole right there, so if you want to put a passy clip through it, you can. And it's just very easy for them to pick up with their hands. It's very easy to grab, and then once they're grabbing it and holding on to it, they can nibble on the other handle, or they can just nibble on the like the disc or whatever itself. And this has been super awesome probably for the past like month or so, or I'd say like maybe when she's about 5 months, 4.5, 5 months or so, to right now, and she's like 6.5 months. She's really enjoyed these teethers more than anything else that we have, as her teeth, they haven't poked through yet on the bottom, but I feel like I've been feeling like they're gonna poke through forever. But anyway, she really likes these. They're easy to hold. They're super easy to clean from my perspective. So yeah, that's my little TJ Maxx haul. So let's get back to cleaning.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I
want to show you guys a quick little trick that I learned on how to nicely put on pillowcases. The cleaners did this right before I sold my old house. Right before we did the showings, I got it like professionally cleaned or whatever. And anyway, I saw them do this and I was like, wait, show me that again. That looks really nice. But we actually have a California king size bed, but we have standard size pillows because we love these pillows so much. They're called Heirloom Nimbus Visco pillows. They're like they're really, really heavy and like squishy and jelly and I don't know, but they're awesome. Anyway, they are obviously too small for the pillowcases that came with the set. And I guess I could just buy new pillowcases, but why do that? So, put on the pillowcase as normal. And then lay it out like this and take your ends all the way out. You can see. You guys see that? Okay. Then take the under part, the bottom, put it under, tuck it in, and then tuck the upper portion in like this. And basically pull it and put your hands in and go like this until it's nice and straight. Then it just looks so nice and crisp. I don't know. I know that the sheets are so wrinkly, so they probably don't look all that great. You're like, what kind of tip is that? But I promise it makes a difference other than having the huge tail hanging off. It just looks nice and fitted and crisp. So there's that.
We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
So I was just about to throw away this TJ Maxx receipt for these items that I just bought, and I wanted to show you guys real quick what I use before I throw away receipts. This isn't sponsored, but I would love it to be because I actually do use it, and I actually learned about it from a sponsorship from another YouTuber that I watch. But it's called the Fetch app, and let me show it to you. Mind frame. F-E. Okay, so yeah, it looks like this. Fetch. So you open it up and it works with like literally every single store, like every major store you can think of, and then they run promotions on certain brands. So for example, at Publix right now you can get 100% back of this bread. I've never tried it before, but if you want to try it, you can get it completely free, and all you do is you purchase it and then you scan your receipt and it automatically recognizes what products that you bought, and then you get points, and then the points can be redeemed for gift cards, and I think it can be redeemed for cash too. But it adds up so fast, and you can scan any receipt and get 25 points just for scanning anything. So you can go to like any small little coffee shop, like even if it's not on the app, and get 25 points, but then you get more points for like certain brands. And if you're someone who purchases Huggies diapers, they do so many rewards on Huggies. Like you get like a couple dollars back every time you buy Huggies. So yeah, that's a great deal. So let me just show you real quick how it works. So you go into the app and then you hit scan, and then snap a photo, and then you scan your receipt, take the picture, and then it hits submit, And there you go. I got 25 points from TJ Maxx, which is so exciting. You can also link your Amazon account. So every now and then I just go on and hit submit, and then it says e-receipt, and then you just put your email address that you have hooked up with your Amazon account, and then you get points for those purchases as well. So I just been doing this very casually, and I already have like 7,000 points, and that's after me already cashing in rewards once before, and I got a gift card to Target, which was awesome. So yeah, I don't know, I just really like, it's just easy. Like, I don't know, it's just easy and an easy way to just make a little bit of extra money, and it's kind of exciting. It's exciting. They advertise a lot of new products on here, so I find I can like learn about new things on here as well. So I'll leave a link down below with the details on it, and like I think if you want to share it with your friends, you can get like a refer a friend. Yeah, so here's my referral link, and I'll leave it down below. And when you use my referral link, you get 2,000 points right off the bat, and then I get 2,000, which would be super cool. And 2,000 points is equivalent to I think $2. So but it adds up fast. I know it's like $2, but like it adds up fast. So anyway, yeah, check that out. All right, 4:43. Little one is just starting to stir a little bit, so I'm gonna go grab her in a second. But just want to show you guys, I pretty much finished what I had hoped to, at least for the duration of her nap. Got dinner going, that was the most important part, especially because it's already 4:45 now. Got the kitchen nice and cleaned up, and cleared off the dining room table. I gotta go get her, she's starting to cry, and tidied up this over here, and I'll bring that in her room now that she's awake. I gotta go do this laundry, obviously clean the sheets, bed's all nice and made, and I need to deal with my laundry over there that is never ending. My laundry always gets to the end of the list because her laundry is obviously a priority. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.